Beauty and the Beasts. In a village in France, there lived an old scientist named Maurice. He lived with his daughter named Belle. Belle was the most beautiful girl in the village, so that every man in village loved her very much, including Gaston. He was a much-feared man in the village. Belle was very happy to sing and read. She always spent his time in the library to read books. Her favorite books was one of the fairy tale about a prince who is cursed. One day, Maurits went out of the city along with his horse named Philip. However, in the middle of the trip, they got lost and were attacked by a wolf pack. Philip fell screamed, so he zoomed very high. Moritz, who is in his shoulder, was failing while Philip escaped. Moritz was feared. He ran aimlessly. The arrived at the very old castle. It looked very creepy, but he still entered the old castle. The castle was accompanied by a monster named Bats and residents who were strange objects which were alive. Then Maurits was arrested and put in prison. Philip, who managed to escape from the wolf, returned to the house. Belle was worried because Maurits was not come back with Philip. She immediately looked for his father in the woods alone. Belle searched in the woods until she arrived at an old castle. She entered the castle and found her father held there. When Belle entered the castle, all the inhabitants of the castle were very happy. They dragged Belle to her father. The bats had become angry. With braveness, Belle was offered herself to replace her father, who was arrested if he released her father. Finally, Bats released Maurice, but Belle stayed in the castle. At first, Belle disliked Bats, who was rude and grumpy. Even Belle tried to escape from the castle because Bats scolded her. Belle, who escaped from the castle, was attacked by wolves in the jungle, but she was saved by Bats that went up with her. Bats got injured in the fight with the wolves that brought Belle back to in the palace. After arriving at the palace, Belle treated the wounded Bats. Day after day passed, relationship between Bats and the Belle were better. They became afraid and eventually fell in love with each other. However, Bats was afraid to express his love. He was afraid of Belle will reject him because he was a monster. At the time when Bats wanted to confess his feelings, Belle saw her father was sick through the magic mirror. She asked the Bats to meet his father. With unflinching, Bats let her go. Once Belle returned to the village, Belle was forced to marry Gaston. Belle rejected it. Gaston knew at the Belle had fallen in love with a monster. In the castle in the woods, Belle and her father were imprisoned in the basement at Belle's home. Gaston incited all the village to attack the castle and Kyle Combs. She said they were very dangerous and the castle soul destroyed. The residents, who had instigated by Gaston, agreed. They went to the castle to hunt bats, but Belle and Maurice managed to escape from the basement. They immediately went to the castle. Gaston and the Phylician managed to enter the castle. They attacked all of inhabitants of the castle, but Bats, who was angry, attacked Gaston. But when the wolf killed Gaston, the bats did not continue its action and released him. However, Gaston stabbed the bats from the back. At that time, Belle came and saved the bats, who was severely injured. Seeing Belle come, bats became excited back. Gaston tried to attack him back. However, bats didn't do get Gaston. The Gaston fell from the top of the castle and died. Bats was seriously injured, no longer able to survive. Just as the last strands of magic rose fell, Bats stupid breathing. Belle was crying hysterically. She sobbed and said she loved the best. Suddenly, a miracle occurred. The curse on the castle displayed. The scary castle very transformed into beautiful palace. All its inhabitants turned into humans, and the best turned back into Assam prince. The curse was gone because of Belle. Science loved bats finally. Bats and Belle married and lived happily ever after.